From the peaks of the Andes to the beaches of Rio de Janeiro, South America is one of the most diverse continents in the world. Here are 6 unmissable experiences from this magical place. This rock formation sits just outside the city of Paraty in Brazil. If you're brave enough, you can put your skills to the test by sliding through the water on your feet. Tobaga Falls is nature's very own slip and slide. This handwoven bridge is not for the faint-hearted. It hangs 60 feet above the Apurimac River near Cusco, Peru. It's one of the only remaining examples of the handwoven bridges that were once common in the Incan road system. Even though there's a modern bridge nearby, residents of the region keep ancient traditions alive by renewing the bridge every June. Montaña Mágica is a hotel with a difference. It's shaped like a volcano and has a waterfall on top of it. The hotel is a sustainable sanctuary that blends with the rainforest around it. It's located in Huilo, a biological reserve in southern Chile. Getting there is pretty tricky. It's at least 2 hours from the nearest airfield, but it's definitely worth the journey to find this home fit for hobbits. Bolivia is home to the world's largest salt flat. SALAR de UYUNI is really flat, which means you can play with perspective. Hypnotic, surreal, and untouched, the area is home to some of the most stunning scenery on Earth. It's not hard to see why locals call this river the liquid rainbow. The Caño Cristalas in Meta, Colombia reflects sunshine into a kaleidoscope of color. The phenomenon is created by tropical mosses and corals, which bloom in the river from September to November. Also known as the River of Five Colors, it stretches for miles across the Serranía de la Macarena National Park. There's only one way to experience the desert oasis of Huacachina, and that's by sandboarding. You can race down the dunes and zoom into the tiny Peruvian village where there's a stunning natural lagoon lined with palm trees. Hit subscribe to never miss a culture trip unmissable experience.